How to watch VR videos on YouTube. Well, the very first thing that you want to do first is, of course, connect or link your gadget to your PC if you're watching VR videos on your PC. Now, if it's going to be Bluetooth, then simply click on this arrow pointing up and locate that Bluetooth icon right here and make sure that your VR gadget is successfully linked to your computer. Now, next thing you do is to find your video. Just head over directly to youtube.com and then look for any VR videos you want. So let's just go ahead and choose this as a side of example. Now, once your VR gadget is successfully linked to your device or your PC, this icon right here will pop out and this will be changed as a shade icon. All you have to do is to click on that for you to be able to adjust any of the settings you want, and you should be able to view videos on VR on YouTube. And that's it. That's how you watch VR videos on YouTube.